Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning. In today's capsule, I'm going to talk about a crisp topic which will help find the top 3 customers in merely 10 seconds, and I'm not going to use any pivot table or any filter for that matter. So let's head over to the data. For example, if I have customer wise sales data and I want to see who are my top 3 customers, I can, one way to see the traditional way is to go to the filter and go to top 3 and see B, D, J. So we know the name of the top salesman is B and D and J, and we want to achieve that kind of result over here without using any filter. So I have done it over here, but let me demonstrate in details how can you achieve it. So I'm going to write a formula. First of all, equal to sort by. It's a very powerful formula in the dynamic ranges concept, which has been recently given out by or rolled out by Microsoft. So what do we want to sort by? So we want the customer names to be sorted by, comma, what do we sort it by means according to what value should it be sorted. So we want it to sort by the sales values, comma, in what order do we want it? We want it in the descending order. So we'll select -1 and bracket close. That's it. We do this. Now you might be wondering, it has given me all the salesmen sorted in descending order. Yes. So there is one more step, and this is a very powerful function. So we will wrap the original function which we had written inside the function of take. We'll go to take in the beginning of the formula. We'll type it. At the end of the formula, we need to mention how many rows, because we require 3 customers here. We'll just mention 3 and bracket close. And that's it. We'll achieve the results within 10 seconds. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how do you wrap these names along with the corresponding sales in a single cell. How cool that will be. We'll see that in the next video. See you till then.